Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and getting straight to work. Ensure you have an AWS account with administrator permissions and pick the region where Identity Center will live. Next, choose a directory option, AWS Managed Microsoft AD or an external identity provider, and gather account ID, user lists, and admin contact emails. Once done, open the AWS console, navigate to AWS IAM Identity Center, and click Enable. This starts the provisioning. Make sure payments and region settings are correct before proceeding. You now integrate your identity source and define access. If using an external IDP, follow SAML or OIG setup steps, exchange metadata, and confirm assertion attributes. Email and group claims are essential. If using the built-in store, create users and groups directly. Then create permission sets. Attach least privilege policies, set session durations, and enable managed policies as needed. Once configured, assign users or groups to AWS accounts using those permission sets, and run a test sign-in to validate access. Finish by validating and activating your Identity Center deployment. You should test sign-in with a representative user, verify assigned console roles, and confirm AWS account access. Make sure CloudTrail and CloudWatch logs are turned on so you can audit sign-ins and provisioning changes. These logs help trace issues later. If something breaks, start by checking SAML/OIG claim mappings, time synchronization between systems, and the permission set policies for missing privileges. Once corrected, rerun the login test to ensure users can access expected resources.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.